Hello everyone! Welcome back to my new video. I hope you are doing well. Today, I want to share something. This story helped me speak English. I speak English automatically now. I speak without thinking. I speak without translating. I speak without fear. If you want, this story will help. So, let's start now. Many years ago, I met a boy. His name was Arif. He was 18 years old. A small smile often appeared on his face. He was shy and quiet. The world felt big and scary to him. He was afraid to speak English. Every question made him nervous. It was not because he did not know English. It was because he translated in his mind. Words got stuck inside. He changed Bangla to English, and English to Bangla again. By the time he finished, the moment was already gone. The other person moved away. Arif felt very slow. Fear sometimes stopped him completely. He felt sad and alone. He thought he could not speak English. He doubted himself. Confidence seemed far away. But he was wrong. Hope can appear at any time. One day, Arif met a teacher. The teacher was old and kind. Warmth surrounded the meeting. They met in a park. The teacher asked some questions. Arif got stuck again. Words refused to come out. He could not speak. He was translating in his mind. The teacher smiled at him. A kind smile gave courage. He said something surprising. Arif, you have a thinking problem. You don't have a speaking problem. Arif did not understand. The teacher said more. Fluency is thinking in English, not fast speaking. Arif was shocked. New ideas started to grow. He had never heard this before. The teacher smiled again. If you want to speak automatically, you must think in English. Arif felt hope in his heart. He wanted to try. Small steps can make a big change. The teacher gave a rule. Think small, think simple, but think in English. Arif started practicing daily. New excitement filled the mind. Small steps felt fun. He looked around. He named simple things in English: table, chair, door, road, sky, fan. Little things became words. New words created new confidence. He said everything he saw. He made small sentences in his mind. I am walking. I am eating. I am reading. I am going home. I am feeling tired. Every morning brought practice. Challenges came every day. At first, it was hard. Mistakes happened many times. Learning felt slow sometimes. His mind wanted to translate, But he did not give up. Practice became a habit. He practiced every day. Slowly, English became natural. Words came faster. Speaking became easier. Confidence grew slowly. Arif felt happy. Smiles appeared more often. Belief in learning increased. Small progress felt exciting. Anyone can do this. You can also try it. Thinking in English helps a lot. Think small thoughts in English. Little words create big change. Talking daily makes a difference. Talk about what you see. Talk about what you do. Talk about what you feel. Small sentences make practice fun. Make small conversations in your mind. Listening every day helps a lot. Listen to simple English daily. Do not worry about grammar. Grammar will come later. Focus on speaking now. Talking every day helps a lot. Talk to yourself in sentences. Use the 3-second rule. Answer questions in 3 seconds. Do not think too much. Just speak. Mistakes are normal. Mistakes help you learn. Learning slowly brings results. Every effort counts. After 60 days, Arif met the teacher. New confidence showed in every word. Speaking felt natural and smooth. This time he spoke clearly. Speaking became smoother. He spoke with confidence. Translation did not bother anymore. Pauses became short. Speaking felt easier than before. He spoke naturally. The teacher smiled. Now you speak automatically. You trained your mind. Arif felt proud. Happiness filled his heart. Fluency felt real now. He understood fluency is not magic. Practice creates real results. If Arif can do it, you can too. Learning needs small steps. I believe you can do it. Every day is a chance to improve. Success comes from small habits. Thank you for watching. I hope this story helped you. I hope it gave confidence. I hope it gave motivation. The more you think in English, the easier speaking becomes. Practice a little every day. Do not give up. Be patient. Slow practice brings results. Soon, English will become automatic. If you liked this video, please like, comment, and subscribe to Smooth English Talks. Your support helps me make more videos. Take care. Keep practicing. See you in the next video. Small efforts make big change. Every word practiced is progress. Consistency brings real improvement.